We'll see the trade is going to execute or not. We'll allow some time. So I hope this will get executed and the target also will be hit successfully. We need to allow some time and we need to maintain some patience. We'll do it. It might get executed anytime. So I'm just waiting. There is no pressure building up. We'll see. It has got executed successfully. Sit. Trade is gone successfully and it's a wonderful trade today. And yeah, whosoever want to join the simple analyze, so just join the group or WhatsApp me so we can have a separate daily online live session to do and achieve such a target like this daily 0.52 2% max. So thank you so much for the day, guys. That's all for the day. Bye.